So, ituloy natin yung management. So, part 3, yung rhino. Really here in name only. Yun yung rhino, really here in name only. So, yung kanyang characteristic is understands motivation, align individual and team roles, foster connection to purpose. So, ibig sabihin, nag-i-establish siya ng connection, yung goals and purpose niya naka-align, sunod-sunod, at syempre, siya yung motivator. Then, yung sumunod naman is yung seagull. Senior executive that always glides in, unloads, and leaves loudly. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng seagull, no? Senior executive that always glides in, unfolds, and leaves loudly. So, ibig sabihin, yun yung ibig sabihin niya. Ito siya. Feedback on consistent purpose. Feedback on consistent presence. Stress the importance of mentorship and urge constructive involvement. So, ibig sabihin, humihingi siya ng feedback every time na siya nagche-check. Willing siyang mag-mentor ng mga empleyado kasi senior executive siya. At syempre, constructive involvement. Sinasali niya, ini-include niya yung kanyang mga subordinates. So, yun, yung part 3. Part 3 ng management. So, yung rhino at saka yung seagull. So, yun lang po.